투체나 디젤라 제림 중니 유럽 별이 쉬는 튼조기 윤례 시세상 Tenzin Chönzin Chone Songshe Nanju. Speech by Mr. Tenzin Chönzin, board member of Tibetan Youth Association in Europe.
아니 디리 먼저 디 지리발라 먼저 별이 스위스 별이 미망체 아니 디 다가난 먼저 공호 된저체 아니 별 속보시만 남도 디 먼저 담아 당보 리그베야라니 빼미시가 오청서 아니 먼저 마음반에로 내임 차네나 무튼이 남도 내가 지워다는 레가 충분히 아니 단당 얘기 레저드 인지게 나오티 Today we have gathered here in front of the United Nations organization in Geneva because today's date unites the entire Tibetan people. Personally, a certain tension came over me a couple days ahead of this 62nd anniversary, because it is a day to pause and remember our brothers and sisters in Tibet who sacrificed their lives and liberty for our Tibetan freedom movement. The Tibetan Youth Association in Europe had placed numerous coffins in Bern today in remembrance of our fallen brothers and sisters to honor their unwavering commitment to Tibet, but also to educate the Swiss people in Bern about the significance of today's anniversary. The 62nd commemoration of the Tibetan people's uprising and the fact that the Chinese regime are still occupying our country triggers sadness, anger, and frustration in me. The sadness came to me when our TYAE board members buried the coffins in Bern. Each coffin contained a short biography of Tibetan personalities who had participated in various protests in Tibet in 1959, 1987 until 92, 2008, as well as in the recent past, and became martyrs. The People's Uprising in March 1959 mobilized the first generation of Tibetan heroes. They formed blockades around the Nobulinga summer residence and took up positions in other parts of Lhasa to protect His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, and fiercely resist Mao Zedong's Red Army. With protest and diversionary maneuvers, our ancestors managed to buy some time. Time that His Holiness and his entourage were given to get safely to India into exile. The short biographies on these coffins described the first martyrs who had willingly exchanged their lives for the fight against the oppression of China. Decades later, the generation of 1987 until 92 and 2008 also participated in protest throughout Tibet. The Chinese occupiers then declared martial law in Tibet, allowing the police and military to wreak unprecedented bloodbath in all of Tibet. The second wave of protest in Tibet took its heavy toll. Many of us had seen the video footage at the time when Chinese police officers rappelled from the roofs of the Chogang Monastery, encircling the protesters, and especially the scene when 10 police officers beat a single protester with brutal force until he fell unconscious. The most recent wave of protest in March 2008 also remained sad memories in many of us. At that time, a new form of protest was created. Since 2009, 155 Tibetan martyrs have committed the act of self-immolation, an unimaginable form of protest which can only associate it with pain, grief, and despair. Anger comes to me when I think about the Chinese oppression under President Xi Jinping not only continues but has been systematically expanded. In the area of human rights, our country, Tibet, is ranked #1 among the most oppressed nations in the world. Universal rights such as freedom of expression, freedom of religious, as well as the preservation of culture were severely restricted and monitored. Recently, the subject of Tibetan script and language was targeted by Chinese authorities and completely eliminated from the Tibetan school curriculum. Public promotion of Tibetan writing and language is now banned, even criminalized and punishable as a crime by imprisonment and torture. The Chinese regime cites cultural and language preservation activities as incitement of the people against the Chinese state and separatist activities to incite the public law and order. For such incidents and others, the communist regime issued inhumane and draconian measures. Another example is the monastery town of Larungar, a potential UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Chinese authority demolished this town for infrastructure projects and has sent away the monks and nuns who lived there. Despite the efforts of many Tibet organizations, the monastery town was razed to the ground. In the process, courageous nuns and monks, as well as the local population, stood in the way of the Chinese bulldozers and police to prevent the destruction of the priceless testimonies of Tibetan Buddhist religion. Not only were they arrested, but worse, as a sign of re-education, they were forced to perform dances and songs at propaganda events. The nuns of Yachengar were sexually abused by Chinese officials. Such recordings and evidence not only triggered my anger at the time, they still make my blood boil today. My frustration is directed at the international communities. Numerous organizations and confederations, such as the United Nations, the European Union, and even the International Olympic Committee, still hold the view that they will move China towards the rule of law and democracy through cooperation and relations with the West. I was particularly frustrated by the latter, as the IOC awarded the 2022 Winter Olympics to Beijing, despite the fact that the human rights situation in Tibet, as well as in other states of East Turkestan, Southern Mongolia, had deteriorated massively. Even then, at the Summer Games in 2008, the IOC promised to bring rapprochement to the rule of law and democracy in China. 14 years later, it did not even address this issue when awarding the Olympic Games to China for the second time, and still tries to ignore this issue until today. Sadness, anger, and frustration. These emotions came over me on this year's March 10th Tibetan uprising. However, on today's date, along with these emotions, I also feel courage, hope, and determination. I felt courage during the exhibition of the coffins in Bern, when I realized that although we have been living in exile for 62 years, the Chinese regime still had not managed to erase our Tibetan identity. Numerous organizations like the TYAE, the Tibetan Women's Association in Switzerland, as well as the Tibetan Community Swiss and Liechtenstein, are working for the preservation of the Tibetan community, for the Tibetan freedom movement in Tibet, and for the welfare of all Tibetan people. Still, the morale and the attitude of our Tibetan brothers and sisters in Tibet is intact. This became clear to me because from the letters of the Tibetan marchers to the bereaved families, the following demands were made again and again. Freedom of all Tibetans, withdrawal of the Chinese foreign occupation, and return of His Holiness the Dalai Lama to Tibet. With its repressive and colonialist policies, China has not only messed with the Tibetan people, but it also angered and antagonized the people of East Turkestan, Southern Mongolia, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. We can form alliances with them and thus stand united and strengthened against the Chinese government. The hope for the Tibetan freedom movement remains. This became clear to me when after the crushing of the uprising in 1959. Even decades later, new generations of young Tibetans took the streets to wage the same struggle against the Chinese regime. Through all these stories, I realized that Tibetans from all walks of life participated in the uprising in the different decades. From high nobles, clergy, and officials to ordinary citizens, students, yet even beggars were involved in the protest and made unprecedented efforts, sacrificing their lives for our cause. No distinction was made between Kamba, Amdowa, or Utsangba. On March 10, 1959, there was only one people, the Tibetan people. From the 5 emotions I mentioned, grief, anger, frustration, courage, and hope, my final emotion emerged, determination. As a member of TYAE, I am given the invaluable opportunity to stand up for the oppressed Tibetan people. The stories of the various uprisings in Tibet give me the strength to carry the voice and the concern for our martyrs to the whole world. As long as the occupation of Tibet by China is not ended, as long as international organizations and states do not take on the Chinese tyranny, as long as the golden throne in the Potala Palace remains empty, we will not rest and continue the struggle of our ancestors, the struggle for a free Tibet. Thank you very much. Pejalo!
춘줄라 두체나 아니야 겜베 무트니
COVID-19. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. Stop killing. Stop killing. Tibet belong. Tibet belong to. Tibet belong to. Stop killing. Stop killing. What we want. What we want. Peggy double. Marcha, marcha. Marcha, marcha. Stop killing. Stop killing. Stop killing. COVID-19. COVID-19. We want justice. We want justice. Longshore, longshore. Marcha, marcha. Longshore, longshore. No more sleeping. No more sleeping. What we want. What we want. No human rights. No human rights. No human rights. Stop killing. Stop killing. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. No human rights. No human rights. What we want. What we want. COVID-19. COVID-19. Wake up, wake up. We want. We want. Peg it double. Peg it double. Marcha, marcha. Marcha, marcha. Longshore, longshore. Longshore, longshore. Peg it double. Peg it double. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. No human rights. No human rights. We want. We want. We want. What we want. Release, release! Release, release! We want! We want! Tibet is burning! Tibet is burning! Tibet is burning! 派加喽！派加喽！黄山将军就不顾这其他的其他带不上，派电台뉴스三万上，派加喽！
두째 나 디퍼
We have no basic freedom. Release all the political prisoners. Release all the political prisoners. We want. We want. We want. We want. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. We demand human rights. We demand human rights. United Nations. United Nations. United Nations. No more sleeping. No more sleeping. No more sleeping. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. We want justice. We want justice. Release all the political prisoners. Release all the political prisoners. Stop the culture genocide. Stop the culture genocide. Stop the culture genocide. We want. We want. We want. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Long live. Long live. Long live. Let the Dalai Lama. Let the Dalai Lama. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. We demand human rights. We demand human rights. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. We want justice. We want justice. Release all the political prisoners. Release all the political prisoners. Shame on Chinese government. Shame on Chinese government. We want. We want. Tibet belongs to. Tibet. We demand human rights. We demand human rights. We don't have basic rights in Tibet. No basic rights in Tibet. No basic rights in Tibet. No religious freedom in Tibet. No religious freedom. No education freedom. No basic rights. No basic rights. We want human rights. We want human rights. United Nations. United Nations. United Nations.
두째 나 안단 디퍼로 대응한조 참물로 드린 대표가 참물로 구바 진념도 주나이 안 참물로 대표로나 너라 대표죠 먼저 대표면 한번 그래서 대표 대표 알아 대체 한번
US Congressman John McCowan have a message to Tibetan peoples. John McCowan.
People for joining me in person today. Please know that I stand in solidarity with you and Tibetans all over the world in commemorating the 62nd anniversary of Tibetan Uprising Day. Today we remember all those who lost their lives and who were driven from their homes in Tibet. 62 years after the Chinese government's devastating crackdown, Tibetans in China are still struggling to exercise their basic human rights, to speak and teach their language, protect their culture, control their land and water, travel within and outside their country, and practice their religion as they choose. Access to Tibet remains tightly controlled. As a result, human rights abuses and environmental degradation are concealed from the rest of the world. And it has now been 25 years since the 11th Panchen Lama was abducted and forcibly disappeared, making him one of the world's longest detained prisoners of conscience. The Chinese government maintains this absurd claim that it has the sole authority to control the next reincarnation of the Dalai Lama, in clear violation of the religious freedom of the Tibetan Buddhist community. Make no mistake, the Chinese government is engaged in a systematic effort to eliminate the distinct religious, linguistic, and cultural identity of the Tibetan people. Now that Congress has passed both the Tibetan Policy and Support Act and the Reciprocal Access to Tibet Act, it is our responsibility to ensure that the Biden administration effectively implements these bills. We expect that a high-level State Department Special Coordinator for Tibetan issues will soon be named. The Tibetan Policy and Support Act strengthens that position in so many ways, including a mandate to work multilaterally on the protection of the environment and water resources of the Tibetan Plateau. The administration must make it clear that Chinese officials who interfere in the succession or reincarnation process will be subject to targeted sanctions, including those contained in the Global Magnitsky Act. No new Chinese consulate should be established in the United States until a U.S. consulate is established in Tibet. And last, it is my hope that when it is safe to do so, that His Holiness will have an opportunity to return to the United States and meet with President Biden and Vice President Harris. On this important day, we must continue to heed the guidance of His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, and his message of peace. We must remember the people of Tibet in their ongoing struggle. We must continue to reaffirm America's commitment to the idea that human rights matter, that we care about those who are oppressed, and we stand with those who are struggling for freedom. I am proud to continue to stand with the Tibetan people in their struggle. Thank you very much.
Thank you, great America!
这么了，要么就那样。愿天家子平安心，养出周啦，不知大公平。送的是谁当罗马街，大地den be明啊的故事，谁是东西，永驻都别的，咱们两边。Ende belto ye Tenzi ke tanju pe ke won Chuje nam ju chawa pe wa zi Miscelenye chakpe और में दुखे नावे न्याम थाजू 스간 즈모게 지박 시네데가 야츠 오요즈 해바르카조 천대겐로 나초 라르 뽕키 세메도 니그 좀베 차타치 뇨토 제베 두제 두보게 녀모데 기녀베 랑제기 라신 니보기베 니제유 메스케베 소남랑 도르미 요토 잠세자베 벨라조 리네니토나 베데 용조 벤조랑와 자메베 른조 주시송제가 된라 제베게 상요와 니도즈 덴다 테지 잡시라리레 제벨 솔로제 용타한테 가와야 차주베게 보나 존세게도 제경와스 도나 공보제레세와기 세제제베체네 칸제신 용조야 제멜람 칸제베 제산덴드뇨도 차와스 나도 체니 사하메 덴데타 조솜도제도타 덴제도 렌제로메 덴투 다자키 덴베멜람게메뇨두 쇼
Yavrum için kuzey şabetten başo. Yavrum için kuzey şabetten başo. Ödün yurdu sevaşo.
가레라웨 꼬르웨 신감소 펜단데 와말루 주에네 제레세와 텐진갸소이 샤베 시데바 텐주 가레라웨 꼬르웨 신감소 펜단데 와말루 주에 제레세와 텐진갸소이 샤베 시데바도 텐주 가레라웨 꼬르웨 신감소 펜단데 와말루 주에 제레세와 텐진갸소이 샤베 시데 텐주 제 도체나 아니 드린데 사회가랑 참매 캔슬에 또이 내암 기캠베 안 가라서데 미마 도좀 체투고요 말에 드리니 모델 임바이네 공어 던주 초그즈베 제조 넘버에 다가나시 투미 참으로 드린데 냠슈나네 말아주 숨주 투댕기 레구디 시라게 야부 중수 대성자 참으로리아 인구 리베테네 투지 체스슈에 이 엔나모조 구슬 투자나로나 가딩체 투체나